Some Karens don't just cause scenes.
Yep, I'm gonna have to do that every time.
Oh no.
Will you submit the samples of your breath?
No. Hey, motherfucker, I know you.
Well, hi.
They bring sass and boldness.
I live like 2 streets down. Can we just go to my house?
Convinced they can charm themselves out of anything.
You're gonna put it in my mouth. Oh, this is interesting. I'm doing my best for you.
And you have like 4 other suspensions.
Huh? You want to arrest me, right? I'll take everything off.
I don't want you to take everything off.
Here are 3 who turned awkward into unforgettable. But first, let's dive into a Hooters waitress who tells a cop, "I can take it all off." In the early hours of October 30th, 2022, Officer Klein noticed a black Hyundai stopped mid-intersection, practically asking for attention. He gladly obliged.
I was just picking up my friend from Northport.
Okay. Where are you headed to?
She lives in Northport. I was just trying to,
Your fake cut and scared me when I walked up. Forgot tomorrow's Halloween.
Oh.
Forgot tomorrow's Halloween. I'm like, oh boy.
I know, right?
You're all the way out in the intersection.
Oh, okay.
Like you were past the crosswalk that you were on Toledo Blade before making the left.
Okay.
The tags on the car, is the car registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the tags on the car expired back in March.
Yes, sir.
Or April, I'm sorry. And your license is suspended. Did you know your license was suspended?
I apologize about that.
Okay. Do you have insurance on the car?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Who's it for?
It was, State Farm.
Okay. You have an insurance suspension, and you have like 4 other suspensions for fail to pay traffic fine. You know you got to pay. You know you got to pay tickets.
Huh?
I said you know you got to pay the tickets.
I did pay them all. The ones that I applied for. I'm sorry.
All right. Do me a favor. Help out real quick. Let's have a conversation.
With an expired license, registration, insurance, and unpaid tickets tied to a green card, Naomi wasn't winning any sympathy.
Listen, tonight's not my first night doing this.
Okay.
Where are y'all really coming from tonight? Because your eyes are bloodshot and glossy. Your speech is slightly slurred.
I'm just very tired, that's all.
There's alcohol coming off the gut. Okay? Check your eyes. Do a couple exercises. Make sure you're okay. Cool that.
As Officer Klein approached, Naomi's red eyes and the smell of alcohol hit him harder than imaginable. His conversation was about to get interesting.
The very tip of the pen right here where my finger is. Can you see that?
Yep.
Actually, let me kill my light so I'm not blinding you. Do you think you could walk a straight line in those boots, or do you want to take the boots off and put slides or something else on, or do it barefoot? It's up to you.
I can try one.
Okay. So just take like 4 or 5 steps back.
Yeah.
Do you want to try it with the shoes or without?
I don't know. I just prefer it without because they're very cricket.
Okay,
so I just don't want you.
If you want to take the shoes off, you can take the shoes off.
Just make sure.
You
turn like that. Like turn like that.
Yeah.
All right. 40, 39, 38, 39, 30, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 39 is. I forgot what the second one was.
Okay.
I just didn't really.
Just do me a favor. Put your hands behind your back. Put your palms together like you're praying.
Officers discovered 2 open Fireball bottles and a lonely empty White Claw in her car. Naomi was clearly party ready.
You're under arrest for DUI. Okay? DUI.
But I am not drunk or anything.
Okay, I'll explain it all to you, mate. Just look back forward.
Please, sir, I can't have a DUI. Please. I'll do everything. I promise. Sir, I'm from Switzerland. I can't have a DUI, please. I promise I'll have somebody pick me up and drive me home. I promise.
I'm going to show you a little bit of decency and cover you up a little bit. You don't want to go into jail looking like that.
Have you ever been in trouble before?
Yes.
For what?
I've been in a car where, there was apparently cocaine, found, but I was just in the car. I didn't know about it.
Okay.
But I got out of it.
Your car's going to be searched. Is there cocaine in the car tonight?
No, sir.
Okay.
I did not have anything in it. I wasn't charged of it.
Okay. You were just there.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Couldn't tell you.
It's suspended for not paying a bunch of tickets and FR.
Yeah, she was going to jail regardless. But
Leaving Naomi's chaos behind, Officer LaFave encountered a swerving vehicle on I-40 in Bernalillo, New Mexico.
I live like 2 streets down. Can we just go to my house?
You're gonna put it in my mouth. Oh, this is is interesting.
On March 9th, 2022 at 10:53 p.m., the 36-year-old driver reeked of alcohol.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
So your driver's registration insurance?
I don't have the insurance card on me.
Okay.
Can I give it to you online?
Did you get it on your phone?
Yeah, I have it on my phone.
Sure. 52022. And it's Jenna? Come back and talk to me real quick.
How?
Yes, ma'am. Any idea why I'm stopping you?
Well, no, I was in and out of traffic.
When I saw you, there was no traffic around you. Okay, but you were staying in your lane.
Well, I got a call from my son that he was worried that my mom wasn't home.
Oh, so I walk up to the vehicle. There's only you in the car. How much did you drink today?
Earlier.
How much was there?
Like a beer earlier.
Just one beer?
About a beer.
About a beer?
About a beer.
So was it one beer or was it more than one beer?
About a beer.
Okay.
One beer.
Okay.
The officer is calm and serious, trying to keep things under control, while the 36-year-old mom is flustered and confused.
I'm 10-4. This hand's gonna move from left to right, just follow the whole time. Okay. You aren't following my finger.
Well, I feel like I am, but you said not to move your head, but I am going this way.
Yeah.
So I don't want to move my head.
5%. Copy. Yeah, don't move your head.
Is there any way that, like, I live, like,
Gotcha.
2 streets down?
Okay.
Can we just go to my house?
Why would we go to your house?
Well, my mom is really worried.
Okay.
That's all. The only reason why.
Cool. Well, this shouldn't take very long. Okay.
Right?
Whenever, go begin.
1, 22.
If the first test had her completely off balance, the second one was pure chaos.
Miss Maldonado, stand right here and face my camera. Put both hands behind your back. Keep them there. Do you agree to take our test, at which I'm asking you for a breath test?
I literally feel like I have a...
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
And it's bothering me. Thank you.
It's out.
You're not married? Why not?
I was once before.
Yeah?
Yeah, no more.
What happened?
Life happens. Sometimes you just fly out of love. It just doesn't work out.
How old are you?
How do you think I am?
I mean, you look kind of young.
Okay. Thank you. I'm not young.
42?
Thank you. I'm almost 50. What's that?
Where should I blow?
Well, if you want to, just tell. Okay, so right here's a brand new silk mouthpiece. No one's ever used it. Okay. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a deep breath and blow like a balloon. Don't stop blowing until I tell you to.
You're gonna put it in my mouth.
I'll put it in your mouth.
Oh, this is interesting. Okay. Tell me when.
Whenever you're ready. Take a deep breath and blow. Like a balloon. Harder. Okay, there you go. Okay, blow constantly like a balloon. Like blow up a balloon. You know how big a balloon is.
Well,
Take a
I
deep
have
breath.
an idea in my mind and it seems weird, sorry.
Okay, don't let it be weird. There's your first sample.
What does that mean?
0.15.
And that means
You're almost to the aggravated level. You're almost twice the legal limit.
twice.
Almost. It means that you are legally intoxicated.
Miss Maldonado's confusion is hilarious. In a serious situation, she attempts to charm the officers while casually asking for a ride home, as if it's no big deal.
Harder. Keep that tone going. Harder. Nope. Keep going. More. Nope. You keep stopping. Come on, Jenna. You got this. Take a deep breath and blow.
Oh no, it's not that. It's funny. It's what you're saying.
What am I going to say?
Keep going.
Okay.
Keep going.
Okay, take a deep breath and blow. One big breath. Nope, not hard enough. You're not blowing. No.
I'm blowing.
You're not blowing a feather off your hand. Blow a balloon up. A nice big breath.
I'm doing my best for you.
Thank you. And go. Harder. No, harder. Okay.
I am trying my hardest for you.
Thank you. Okay, it's okay. Just have a seat.
Tomorrow.
What's that?
Yeah, we may have one on a date tomorrow.
A date tomorrow? Well, you're going to be in jail, girl.
May have. Well, if you would have just taken me home.
I'd have got fired.
No, you can tell.
I can't be taking you home.
Oh man, Miss Maldonado really thinks she's in a negotiation session.
Your phone's gonna be charging up. I'm put you in there temporarily. I'll let it charge up a little bit more. Any questions before we go in there, or you go in there?
What am I gonna go in there and do?
Just sit on the bench.
I have to pee.
You have to, okay. Right this way. Right here. Take a left and take another left.
Well, am I supposed to pee like this?
Well, that'd be pretty amazing, but I'll take these off.
Like I could do it though.
You're an athlete, remember? You're an athlete. Athletes could do anything.
Then she unexpectedly says she wants to get closer to the officer, trying to make a love connection while getting arrested. Unfortunately, she was charged with driving under the influence. Just when you thought you'd seen it all, here comes a new Karen.
Yep, I'm gonna have to do that every time.
Hell no.
Will you submit the samples of your breath?
No. Hey, motherfucker, I know you.
Well, hi.
At 2:15 a.m. on July 1st, 2023, 20-year-old Karina Armando left a local Irish pub and, before the officer could intervene, she stopped herself, making her own DUI arrest easier.
Hi! The reason I'm stopping you, well, I didn't stop you. Why did you stop? Let me ask you that.
Because I'm sorry.
So, where are you coming from right now?
I'm from Thatcher's.
From Thatcher's? Okay, gotcha. All right. So you came straight from Thatcher's? Okay. You were over here on Fowler and then on Canals?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, the reason you caught my attention when I pulled up behind you is because when you came out of there, you swerved completely all over the road.
I know.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
Nothing at all? No.
I'm sorry.
You had no drinks at Thatcher's? No.
I'm not.
Okay. You got your license, registration, insurance? Pull out. I don't need that whole packet. Just pull out the cards for me. All right. Step out of the car.
Yeah.
Step out of the car.
Why?
Because I'm going to do some field sobriety tests on you and see how much you've actually had to drink tonight. You know the English alphabet? You know your alphabet? I know, silly question. You know the alphabet? Okay. Can you say the alphabet from the letter E to the letter P for me without singing it? E through P.
When Karina said she'd just left the bar, the officer grabbed the breathalyzer. After her unsteady exit, you have to wonder if it was even necessary.
I'm going to move it back and forth in front of your eyes. I want you to follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand? The next couple tests, it's going to be balance tests. Oh, so right now it's not good and you're under arrest. All right. Driving while intoxicated.
This test is all about multitasking, but honestly, Karina is clearly intoxicated.
Yep, I'm gonna have to do that every time. Like you said before, it's procedure. So I just gotta do this every time, alright? I don't think you're gonna fight me or anything like that, but it's what we gotta do.
Hell no.
Alright?
I'm not going to.
After you have provided samples of your breath for testing, you have the right at your own expense and referral to an intoxicated driver resource center. You have no legal right to refuse to give or delay giving samples of your breath.
While the officer reads her rights, Karina is too busy flirting to listen and refuses the breath test.
To my request that you provide breath samples will be treated as a refusal to submit to breath testing. Even if you agree to take the test, but then do not follow my instructions, I repeat, the law requires you to submit samples of your breath for testing. Will you submit the samples of your breath? No. No? The law requires that you submit samples of your breath for breath testing. If you do not answer, or answer with anything other than yes, I will charge you with refusal.
Yeah.
Now I ask you again, will you submit to breath testing?
No.
Then it's automatic that you're found guilty of driving while intoxicated and the refusal. Will you submit to breath testing?
Well, hopefully you could at least get to your bed and figure it out in the morning.
Hell yeah.
Once at the station, she flips the charm switch, flirting with the officers.
You number 5.
Yeah, I'll get it. It's a,
I get it. America.
just take it slower right here. I fall up these stairs.
My pronouns are you as a.
Not bad. Karina, just hang out for a second here.
Well, mom feels classy.
All I gotta say is Marvel's classy. Hey, motherfucker, I know you.
Yeah? Why is that?
I was like meaning it like a...
You meant it in an endearing way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, hi.
Karen was charged with driving while intoxicated, refusal of breath testing, reckless driving, careless driving, failure to maintain lane.